If you want to read this, just pause it. Because I'll be talking a little bit about it shortly. Hi. I don't normally talk during my videos because I don't normally have much to say. But today, YouTube have announced that there's a new threshold for monetization of videos. And it seems my channel doesn't quite cut it. Not by a long shot. So the new threshold is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch minutes in the last 12 months. And if I don't make that threshold in the next 30 days, I won't be able to monetize my videos. And what I do is not quite exciting for the general masses. I mean, when I helped save that rainbow lorikeet, that was pretty exciting. When I fell off my bike, also exciting, but it didn't really get much attention. So I'm gonna need your help trying to hit that threshold, or, you know, it's going to be a little bit harder for me to just randomly produce videos. So please watch, enjoy, share, like, and subscribe, because I need all the help that I can get. And hopefully you enjoy this video, even though it's just my Suzuki and not the Himalayan that people actually like to watch.